for the weekend getaway with our friend meeting up there, Kevin and Kendra. So it's gonna be exciting, guys. So let's wait and see when we get there. And that's my man. Well, let's see na lang, guys, okay? That's the groundhog. Look at that. There's a lot of...
Doesn't look that crowded, which is good. Remember that one time this whole parking lot was full of people.
We went there before, but this time we're not going.
It said go to the one next to this one. So I see you got to record it anyway.
No, that's the one I told you. We've been there. River Run.
Pretty sure this is the one he said.
Honey, we went there before. We were here before, darling. And you... Here we are at the Mohicans River Run Canoe Leverage and Campground. We came here last time. I think that was last year. Now we are here to have some little fun. It's not so sunny today, but it's fine. It won't be too hot. So, I'm gonna use the bathroom first. Oh, here. There's the restroom. This is the parking. They have a nice area. Hi! Di aname. Ito na ang buhok. Mike is meeting our friends behind me. So, you gotta register first. Welcome to River Run.
Well, I guess it's on. I wonder if we should do the double kayaking convention.
Look at the kayaks. I can go.
It's gonna be cold in that water.
It's gonna be cold today because it's not so sunny. But see how it goes. It's the place. We are getting the double kayak. I don't wanna paddle myself. I just wanna sit and relax and let Mike paddle me. Yes, this is the
Better save your battery.
big tree. There's stuff. Paddles.
You won't need a paddle, I guess.
Need one
You
of
want a
that.
paddle or not?
Just bring one.
Huh?
Just bring one. Oh, get that one, hon. Get the nice one.
Gotta grab a life jacket.
Yeah, life jacket. We get love paddles.
Just grab these.
Okay. Is that wet?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
I want to see here. Oh, look at the water. There we go. Look at the water. There's a lot of stuff. Look at the water. This is wet. I'm gonna wear this. How, hon? Hon,
You don't have to put it on.
why?
You can just sit on it if you want. You want to wear it? Snap this one. This will take you fall in. That water's kind of fast. Too tight.
Yeah, make it loose. I'm like a baby.
How's that feel?
Yes. Kaya yung jag malumos ko.
They should be getting all of our stuff out here. We're not in any hurry, are we? Is this like normally a 2 hour, 3 hour?
We'll stretch it.
That water looks a little dirty.
Hey, just FYI, how you
Hi,
guys doing?
Hi, Jackie.
How are ya?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
This is one kaya. That's the kaya. That's gonna be me and my double kaya. It's gonna be fun. That's the double kaya. That's Jack. That's Sandra. The water is not that clean today because it's been rained on last night, but it's fine. Hey, it's gonna be fun.
Trying to get rid of.
Honey, where do I sit on the front?
Huh?
I sit on the front. Huh?
You're gonna sit in the front. Hopefully, I'll be able to put this kayak or this cooler in
All right, yeah. I'm not ready.
Give me that. Should have just taken. She's filming. I don't even know why I'm giving her a paddle. I might just
Okay, you can leave it there. Just leave it there.
I think that's easy. All right, thank you. If I don't tip us over.
All right. Yeah.
Yep. You guys ready to roll? Yeah, go ahead.
Pushing us now.
I hope I don't tip us over. I'll ruin your phone.
No.
This river's going pretty fast. It might shove us down here pretty quick.
Don't it, honey. Here we go. Do I need my this one hand?
How you do?
That's junk.
And you crack open a beer?
Yeah, it's about time to open a beer, ain't it?
Hey.
Nice today, not too hot.
Need a drink yet, darling?
I'm good. Do I need my... Dun, dun.
Those wraps actually go pretty good.
It's big.
Maybe next time we'll try that wrap.
Yeah, it will just push you easy.
Looks like you got a little more
Well, they were
room.
saying they're like $90.
Are they?
Yeah.
Looks like you got a little more room. I thought maybe you'd have to reach over the top to paddle, but it don't look too bad.
You're sideways, huh? Nindot sa tubig na guys, nakasakay lang ko. Aurang ba na sigig nagabugsay. Kay kung wapil kong bugsay, dili ko kakubot sa video. So wala ko'y content. O diba? Ayop, nagpayahay lamang ko.
Your hair clip looks like it's falling out.
It's okay. Ay, basa ang lubot. There's some water splashes on my butt. Aray, honey, you don't know how to kayak. Taro nga di bugsay dong. Na, nagtakilid naman ta dong.
Huh? I was gonna wait for them.
No, we're doing the wrong way, baby.
Well, we're gonna stop here.
Aray, aray, aray. Aray. Oh, stop the Amy. Aray, di balintong me. Nagbugsay-bugsay ang ahong darling. Ang ako naglingkod-lingkod, nagbidyo-bidyo, diba? Fun today. I like the weather. It's not too hot and it's not crowded because it's weekdays. So if it's weekend, usually the place is full packed. So we did it good today. So I hope ma-enjoy you guys.
Oh, start coming. That current will take you past pretty fast. Faster than you think.
I appreciate you helping us.
Yep.
Thank you.
Are you guys coming?
Yeah, we're all together. Thank you.
Nice. They hooked us up.
They're not coming over. They're not coming over.
Better run out there.
Hi, we got it from the water. Oh. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. It's nice. We're gonna take a break here. Hey, baby. Be careful, hon. Come here, my love.
Boy, I didn't bring my money, but you want a hot dog or something?
I'll see.
I'm gonna have to go get my money if you do.
We'll just borrow from Kevin. We'll borrow from them. Mom's dog gonna get our little money because we will buy a hot dog. We have some little. Got it. There's more group. Big group. They're recording. Someone to stop and get us
Slow on the pool.
Yummy.
We'll share some of these. You guys want some more nachos? You guys want some nachos, Jackie?
They'll eat some, yeah.
I'm full.
Yeah. Careful, Ding.
I gotta wait for all you guys.
Jackie, don't take off yet. I'm gonna bring you some drinks. Set this down so I can get some.
Hey,
We're locked in by this.
climb now. Honey, did you bring my popcorn?
Yeah, it's in the bag.
Okay. Coming out now.
Watch the rock.
Brown eye girl.
Push me out. Candy.
I'm sorry.
Try it.
That current is strong.
Ouch!
shit, sorry.
Oh, you're good. Where, Libby? Ouch!
Oh yeah, got water right here.
Not much. We just left the place. It's a nice place to stop over. Oh my God! Got tip over.
People in the canoe.
Ay, ay, ay. Look up there. We got water, huh?
Their whole canoe went under.
Oh.
That's a shame.
The spot here we always confused. We left or we go right? Right or left? So now we're going left. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the tree. Honey, go the other side. Mapakog ta, honey. Ah! Oh my God, we got.
Grab it with my arm. Moving too fast.
Oh my God.
I think they went the wrong way.
Huh?
They went around to the right, but it'll come back to us in a minute anyway.
Did you cross your hand on that tree?
I tried to stop us, but the current's too fast.
That's scary, but look at the current. It's pushing us and it's very nice. Ah! Okay, let's tie here.
Now I can sit here and hold this with us.
As Mike
Yeah.
holding the tree so we aron musangit.
Rub that wood, baby. Rub it. Yeah. The back of your canoe or your kayak is full of water. Now you got Kevin all stuff.
Kevin's backwards now.
I'll tell you what, that current, that'd be pretty good. That probably wouldn't be very fun if it was that high.
Pepsi don't sound bad, though.
You just had a Pepsi.
No, I like Pepsi.
Yeah, I see it in your little belly.
Look at your feet, babe.
Oh, no, my Pepsi. What the hell? Oh, I thought that was a black tea.
Oh, we're having a good time.
Is it Walmart? I tried to buy a new
We're
set of
almost
steak.
done here. Well, I hope you had fun kayaking with us. It's a beautiful place here in Mohican. There's the left side, right side. It comes out the same way.
Coming in. She's going into overdrive. Somebody's smoking the pot. No, you're not. I'm fine. Stay away from me.
Let's swim there.
Yeah, there's probably piss in there. Go wash your hair in that.
Well, my car is not comfortable for long trips. Huh?
It's only this deep.
Why? Isn't that here?
Oh yeah, it must be deep over there.
That's a house. They have a beautiful house. They'll have a fire there, huh? Look.
Yeah, they can sit there and feel a fire.
Yeah. Remember we saw the big flag here, huh?
Something that fancy. I just want little
Yeah, they got a nice big fireplace in there. That's nice.
Mayor of City. Wait. Dunkin' these nuts! Dunkin' these nuts! That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Bad day to be a beer.
We're going to stop on that place we stopped before.
Alright.
Remember the last time, Han? There's a lot of yellow.
Kevin's gonna try to go through there. Should I go that way?
Yeah,
Think I can get in there?
try.
Better hurry.
Yeah. You can do it. You can do it, darling. Ay! Ay! Don't tip, baby. Don't you ever tip. Oh, you made it. Yes, we made it.
Like up stuff.
7 yards of stop.
Come over and hit the front end of you.
We're here again in another. Okay, grab them.
Right there.
Okay, we're gonna stop here. Mike is trying to help them. I'm trying to get out here. Here. This is our last stop. Ayan, we'll take a break na put me there. Yes, the lobots. We're heading back. I'm already lobat. Say hi.
Push it the same fucking way, Carol.
We just left the place. Soon we'll end our kayaking because I'm lobat now. Anyway, that's it for now, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun kayaking with us today. Thank you for your time, and see you next time. We're watching. Ah, nobody's swinging. Yeah.
those chairs are what you need in your pool.
There's another shitter pipe.
What is this? Is this all new, honey?
Bridge. Covered bridge, Han.
I'm breaking off. Are you breaking off?
Wow, that's beautiful.
Holy crap, that's gorgeous. What are you laughing about, by the way?
Honey, they're making it nice.
You think that's a whole new bridge or that's an existing bridge there?
I said, what, you want a little sprinkle on your wingle? No! Did you say yes? Please don't tell my mom. Yes, I want a sprinkle on my wingle.
I don't think this
That's a beautiful bridge. That's new.
Check this out. This is badass.
I can smell that fresh wood.
Or the diesel, what is it that they put on it?
Like an oil
Yeah.
to keep it from
It's nice.
smells
Look
nice.
at the wood.
Did you see the copper on the end? Some of the beams?
When we go on the other side, look at you'll see copper on the ends of the cables.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. When did they start that?
I don't know.
Look at the
I don't
beautiful
remember.
model.
So if you have your own kayaks, you can come down here and
Well, they even look like they have like a copper now.
I'm just gonna five off.
Beautiful.
Copper is pretty. Oh my God, that's gonna be cool. It fell out of your boobies.
no, I put it in my boobies.
Yeah, we need to get mine.
Honey, smile. Han, that's gonna be my cover photo.
Dig! Dig!
You like it, darling?
Hi.
Did I get it?
Yes.
I'm not even trying.
They want sprayed.
Your brother has a tree!
I can't help it, my back hurts.
Canceled.
Look at the spa. Beautiful. Go there, Han. We're parking
Grab the front of
here.
our boat and pull us in.
Oh, he's gonna hurt his back. Oh, we're good. Wow. It's
Stop right there so we can have
Get the view.
You got him?
Okay, work a little harder.
You're gonna have to help with this.
Wait, baby. It's still video.
All over. Yeah.
Okay, have our picnic.
There we go.
when it's out of the sun. Okay, time to spot.
Hi, Bear. Han,
That's right.
that's wrong. It's clear when it's really. I'm gonna pee.
Everyone sit down. It's like a couch.
If I know.
Everyone sit down. It's like a couch.
I would pull over.
No, whitewater rafting's one.
Yeah, I don't think I'd enjoy that.
Beautiful.
Bear. We got bear. We got bear. Are they out of bear? We got bear. Bear, I don't like it.
Yeah, we have the same problem. The first place was filling up.
Free beer.
If we had shots and stuff there.
He got free beer.
They got free beer.
You know, there's someone else out there.
That's way from there, like losing a lot of money. Really.
We got some kids stop over and they got free beers. Very end. We are in the very end now. We're gonna take the bus to bring us to the spot where we started. Left. Thank you. We just had a good time leaving now.